Today, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the Vietcombank Visa Classic credit card. Whether you're new to credit cards or just considering this option, this guide will provide you with a detailed look at what the Vietcombank Visa Classic offers. First, let's get into the basic overview. The Vietcombank Visa Classic is a standard credit card that gives you access to a variety of services for both everyday spending and emergencies. It's accepted worldwide, which makes it a handy option for frequent travelers. You can use it for online purchases, shopping at retail outlets, and even withdrawing cash from ATMs globally. Now, let's talk about the key advantages of the Vietcombank Visa Classic card. One of its major benefits is its global acceptance. You can use it at millions of locations around the world. The card also comes with convenient services like automatic bill payments and SMS notifications, which help you stay on top of your spending. Another plus is the option to convert your transactions into easy monthly installments, making it more manageable for those big purchases. On the downside, the Vietcombank Visa Classic does have some costs attached to it. There is an annual fee for maintaining the card, and interest rates on balances carried over from month to month can add up. It's important to note that cash withdrawals come with their own fees, so it's best to avoid using the card as an ATM unless absolutely necessary. Additionally, there may be some limitations on the credit limit depending on your income and financial profile. Now, let's quickly break down the fees associated with this card. The annual fee for the Vietcombank Visa Classic is VND 100,000, which is relatively low compared to premium cards, but can still be a factor to consider. The interest rates typically range between 18 to 20% per annum, so carrying a balance can get expensive if not paid off promptly. Late payment fees and foreign transaction fees also apply, so it's best to be cautious with international use. Beyond the basics, the Vietcombank offers some customer-friendly features like access to online banking and the Vietcombank mobile app, which lets you manage your card transactions with ease. You could also set up automatic alerts for when your balance is low or when payments are due, helping you stay financially organized. In terms of security, the Vietcombank Visa Classic comes with the usual protections, including fraud monitoring and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. This makes it a relatively safe option for everyday use. Overall, the Vietcombank Visa Classic is a solid choice for those looking for a simple, reliable credit card with global access and decent perks. However, be sure to weigh the annual fees and interest rates against your own spending habits to see if this card truly fits your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews on credit cards and financial products.